Hello, it's Gem Games, and in this tutorial series we are going to create a horror game like Outlast or Resident Evil. So yeah, let's get started. First, we actually want to create a new third-person project. Let's call it horror game. Okay, and let's add the starter content. Let's wait for it to open. So, what I want to do here first, this folder is called third person. So what I want to do, I want to actually rename this to be like horror game. And let's press OK. Now it has copied the third person and the horror game, the folders, but the content is not on the third person anymore. So what we can do with this, we can right click, show in Explorer, and we can go back to the content and delete this third person folder from here. Now when you restart the engine, the third person folder will be gone, but I will not do it now. So let's go to the horror game. Here we have these blueprints. Let's actually set a color to this, some shade of blue, maybe like this. And let's open it. Now our character is called BB third person character. Let's rename him to be BB player character. This game mode, let's call it BB horror underscore game mode. And let's press OK. Okay, now let's save all. And when we play, everything should work. But let's first click these three dots and let's play in new editor window. And as you can see, everything is working. So, what we want to do next, let's open the BB player character. And here we want to go to the viewport. And we have this follow camera here and this camera boom. Let's delete both of them. Now let's select the mesh and let's add a camera. Let's call this first person camera. Now what we want to do with this, we first want to select the parent socket. And if you cannot select this, you want to double check that this is under the mesh. If it's like this next to it, it will not, you cannot select anything. So it has to be under the mesh. Let's select the head bone. Now let's set rotation values. Let's set the Z rotation to 90 and X rotation to -90. Okay, now let's move this like I actually want to set this X value to 10 and this Y to 20 and this Z to 0. So now it should be centered pretty nicely. Okay. So the next thing, we want to use pawn control rotation on the first person camera, like this. And now we want to select our whole blueprint and we want to search for a rotate, use controller rotation yaw, like that. Now when we compile and we save all and move this next to our third person map, go there and play, we should be seeing through the camera. And as you can see, the camera is attached to our player's face. And and everything is working. So yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.